Discovering the Natural Wonders of the Netherlands, an extensive travel guide. The Netherlands, celebrated for its iconic windmills, charming canals, and vibrant tulip fields, is a nation abundant in natural splendor. Beyond the lively cities of Amsterdam and Utrecht lies a countryside rich with diverse landscapes, from tranquil lakes to expansive fields. In this guide, we will delve into the most stunning natural attractions throughout the Netherlands and outline a detailed travel route along with the optimal times for visiting each site. Keukenhof, often dubbed the Garden of Europe, is located in Lies and is approximately a 40-minute journey from Amsterdam. As the world's largest flower garden, it attracts over 1 million visitors each spring during the tulip bloom. The ideal time to experience Keukenhof is from late March to mid-May, with the peak bloom usually occurring in mid-April. From Amsterdam, take bus 858 from Amsterdam's Sloterdijk to Lies, around 40 minutes. Alternatively, renting a bike offers a scenic ride through the countryside. Be sure to see the breathtaking flower displays, themed gardens, and the iconic windmill located within the park. The Zaanse Schans. Just a short trip from Amsterdam, Zaanse Schans is an open-air museum that illustrates traditional Dutch life, featuring operational windmills, classic wooden houses, and artisan workshops. Spring, from April to May, or autumn, September to October, are the best seasons to explore as the weather is pleasant and scenery is beautiful. From Amsterdam, catch the train at Amsterdam Centraal to Koekzandijk, 17 minutes. Then walk about 15 minutes to reach Zaanse Schans. Visit the windmills, tour the cheese factory, and stroll along the scenic dikes and canals. This enchanting village, often called the Venice of the North, is known for its picturesque canals and thatched roof homes. Giethoorn is car-free, providing a unique opportunity to explore via boat. The best months to visit Giethoorn are during summer, June to August, when the weather is warm and the flowers are in full bloom. From Amsterdam, take a train to Steenwijk, 1 hour 30 minutes, then catch a bus to Giethoorn, 30 minutes. Rent a Fluisterboot electric boat to navigate the canals, visit historic farms, and savor a meal at a canal-side restaurant. Known for its hilly terrain, heathlands, and dense forests, Veluwe is one of the Netherlands' oldest national parks and offers various hiking and biking paths. The park is especially beautiful in late summer, August to September, when the heather blooms create a breathtaking purple landscape. From Amsterdam, take a train to Reden, 1 hour 15 minutes, and then continue by bus to the park's entrance. Hike to the Poosbank for panoramic views and spot the free-roaming wild deer. Kinderdijk, designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its remarkable 18th-century windmills, built to regulate the water levels in the picturesque lowland region. The optimal period for a visit is during spring, April to May, when flowers are in bloom and the weather is delightful. From Rotterdam, catch a bus to Kinderdijk, which takes approximately 30 minutes. Stroll or cycle along the canals to admire the windmills. Stop by the visitor center and delve into the history of the Netherlands' water management. Although the Netherlands is well known for its historic cities and cultural attractions, its natural beauty is just as enchanting. The lively flower fields, peaceful coastal dunes, and varied ecosystems of its national parks present a wealth of experiences for those who love nature. Whether you're strolling through picturesque gardens, unwinding on sunny beaches, or discovering distinctive wildlife habitats, the Netherlands encourages you to immerse yourself in its breathtaking landscape. In an era where urban life prevails, the Netherlands stands as a testament to the beauty and calm that nature provides. Subscribe to stay updated on the best travel destinations.